And the first thing we're going to need to do is take off this old doorknob. We're going to take the 2 screws out, which is very simple, of a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going lefty on this one. Pull this out. Thankfully everything's coming out nice and easy for us. All right, and then there is the old latch. I want to make sure that it's fitting into that recess in the door easily. Tighten those up, and we're ready for a doorknob. And so we'll just slide this guy in. To get it moving, you just press in the latch, push that back, and slide her in. Easy peasy. And now here's where we're going to have to aim and hit those 2 long screws to make it go. So mainly we're looking at lining up them 2 center parts right now. Let's see if we can get her going. Okay. Now to put the 2 long screws in. Now that we got them both finger tight, so we're just going to keep screwing them in as far as we can go with them with our fingers. We'll finish it off with Mr. Phillip. Snug it down tight, and we are just about finished. All we got left to do is replace this old gold strike plate. We'll get both screws started before we snug either one down. And you've got a new doorknob installed. What? You stayed for the after party? You really are a super fan. Now if you want to be a super cool fan like this one, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.